Hey, welcome back to Scott Knows. Today we're going to be going over how to set up and activate the TOPDON Rlink J2534 pass-through device. So stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'll cover the why and how great this thing actually worked for me. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and just Google the TOPDON website and just enter their main website. From that point, you're going to go up to Diagnostic Tools on the top there. And once you go to Diagnostic Tools, you'll go down to OEM Dongle. And then you're going to just go over to the Rlink J2534 pass-through device. It'll pull up this page. You can read about it if you want, but then you're just going to go to Download. And after you click Download, you're going to click the Download for Windows. Really, you can use either. You just got to make sure your whatever computer you're using, it meets the requirements. I did the one on the left. You can see up on the top there. It opens a download box. That'll take less than a minute to download. All right, so after your download is complete, you're going to go ahead and run the Rlink platform application. I apologize, this is in real time, so maybe some moments here where I'm not speaking. So waiting for the application to open. All right, you're just going to click Next, 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 and Next. So it'll go ahead and unpack everything. It's going to take you through the installation wizard. So go ahead and click the setup. You're going to install it. So it's installing all the files. Just let it finish. And then you're going to click Finish. And it's going to pop up, depending on your antivirus or security software, you click Allow. All right. So this, at this point, should give you the icon on the desktop for the Rlink. And so now, showing you how to plug in the device to activate it, bind and activate it on your vehicle. So you used to be able to activate it on the website. Now you actually have to connect it to a vehicle, which is very simple. So all the cables come in the package. You pretty much just put them together. The USB-C or the USB goes into the computer, USB-C into the device, and then the OBD connector there just goes into your OBD port. Should be under your dash on your driver's side. All right. So then you'll have the software open up, which you can see the icon for the software there. So you open it up, everything's plugged in, and you're going to click Bind and Activate. Click Activate. All right. So it needs updated, which yours most likely will too. So you click Update, and then Update. It's going to run through. You're going to know that it has finished all of this when you see a voltage, battery voltage up in the top right there. And I'm going to go ahead and walk you through a couple of the features on the device here in the Rlink platform. All right, so just give it 1 sec. See the voltage up in the top right. Bam. So see the voltage on my RAV4 there, so I know everything's updated, good to go. So now the device is activated. So you go to click driver there. The OEM link, that takes you to the manufacturer's website. So like if I want to go to Toyota's website to download TechStream Lite to use with this laptop, that's how I would do it. So you would just click, open link there, and it takes me to the TechStream website, right? So for this particular instance, you would want to do this after you've already activated the Rlink TOPDON device, because then when you install the manufacturer software, it should automatically detect this pass-through device. So go ahead and did that. So we'll go ahead and exit out of here. I do have another video that describes how to do all of this too. Or we'll have another video. All right, so then you need the driver for your specific vehicle. So just go ahead and click driver download. And then I'm scrolling down to Toyota because mine's a Toyota. Now you just pick your specific model. So just download and download. All right, so you can see it's installing there. All right, so that is installed. So now when I go to driver info on the left-hand side there, it'll show me. I thought about downloading Ford because I do a lot of Ford work too. I haven't tried it on Ford yet, but pretty confident it would work with Ford Scan. I do the things that they can do at the dealership. So there it is. I have that installed. Which those cables are well over $500. So I went with this option, and I'll be honest, it worked flawlessly. Like first try, I'm not even that tech savvy, and I figured all this out, which is why I'm trying to help everyone do it also. So I've only tried this with Toyota, but the key is to install the TOPDON Rlink device before I installed TechStream Lite. And once I did that, TechStream Lite just automatically detected the device and allowed me to access the computer or the Toyota's ECU. You can also use it to reprogram like your sound system, stuff like that. There's always updates that come out for navigation and things like that. This device would allow you to do that also. All other kind of key features like how lights dim, whatever, allows you to do all that stuff on your vehicle. So pretty cool device, saved me a ton of money. I highly recommend TOPDON. I'm not paid by them. I'm just making this video, but it's been a blessing for me. So hopefully this helps you guys. But let me know if there's anything specific I missed or could better clarify with us, and I'll try and write comments and do that. So, all right, thanks for watching.